Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your dashboard, and seeing $10,000 in revenue generated overnight.
No employees. No investors.
No office, just one solo founder and AI doing most of the work.
Sounds like a startup fantasy, right? But this exact thing is happening right now. A solo founder recently used AI tools to build a $10,000 a month AI online business from scratch.
And the crazy part?
They didn't even know how to code.
In this video, I'm going to break down how this happened, the AI tools for business that made it possible, and the simple strategy behind building an AI-powered online business as a solo founder.
And by the end, you'll see why opportunities to make money with AI are exploding right now.
But first, let's rewind to the moment the idea started.
Every successful AI online business usually begins with a simple observation, a problem that people are willing to pay to solve.
This founder was doing freelance work and kept noticing the same issue over and over again. Businesses constantly needed blog posts, marketing copy, and website content.
But hiring writers was expensive.
At the same time, AI writing tools were becoming incredibly powerful.
So the founder had a simple thought. What if AI could help deliver the same service faster and cheaper? That idea turned into a surprisingly simple AI business model. Instead of building complicated software, the founder launched a service where companies could subscribe monthly for AI-assisted blog writing. Clients would submit a topic.
AI would generate the draft.
AI tools would improve grammar, readability, and SEO. Then the founder would do a quick human review before sending the final version. What used to take writers several hours could now be done in less than half an hour. That efficiency made it possible to serve many clients at once. And that's one of the biggest advantages of building an AI online business today. But the real challenge wasn't building the service. It was getting the first clients. Instead of spending money on ads, the founder focused on something much smarter: search intent. Businesses were already searching things like SEO blog writing, content writing services, and affordable blog writers. So instead of positioning the service as an AI product, the founder positioned it as faster and more affordable SEO blog content for startups. That subtle shift made a huge difference. Clients weren't buying AI. They were buying results. Within the first few weeks, 3 companies signed up.
Then 5.
Then 10.
And this is where things started scaling quickly.
Behind the scenes, the founder built a small ecosystem of AI tools for business automation. One AI tool generated the draft.
Another improved the tone and structure.
Another optimized the article for SEO keywords. Automation tools connected everything together. The result was basically a mini AI content production system. Once the workflow was set up, producing new content became extremely fast. This meant that each new client didn't add much additional work. And that's the real secret behind scaling a solo founder business using AI. But here's something that many people misunderstand when trying to start an AI side hustle. They think success comes from the technology itself. In reality, clients don't care about the technology. They care about outcomes, traffic, leads, sales. The founder realized this early. Instead of marketing the service as AI writing, the service was marketed as SEO growth content for startups. Businesses were promised something clear and valuable: blog posts designed to increase website traffic. AI was just the engine behind the scenes. That clarity made selling much easier.
Now here's where the revenue started climbing quickly.
Instead of charging per article, the founder switched to a monthly subscription model.
Clients could choose packages based on how much content they needed.
For example, one plan included 4 blog posts per month. Another plan included 8. The larger package included 12 posts monthly. Most clients paid somewhere between $800 and $1,200 per month,
which means hitting $10,000 per month only required around 10 to 12 clients.
That's the power of a focused AI online business model. You don't always need thousands of customers. Sometimes you just need a small number of clients with a clear problem. But the founder didn't stop there. The next step was automation. Using simple automation tools, the founder connected the entire system together. Clients could submit topics through a form. AI tools would generate and optimize the content automatically. The founder only needed to review and finalize the article. Total time spent per article dropped to around 15 minutes. That meant the entire business could be run in just a few hours per day.
And that's why AI tools for business are so powerful right now.
They allow one person to operate like a small team. And this trend is only getting bigger. Across the internet, new AI business ideas are appearing every day. People are launching AI marketing agencies, AI content studios, AI automation consulting services, AI-powered design services. The reason is simple. AI tools are now powerful enough to automate huge portions of work that used to require full teams. But most businesses still don't know how to use these tools effectively. That creates a huge opportunity for solo founders. If you can combine a real business need with automation and AI tools, you can build something scalable much faster than before. And the biggest lesson from this 10K a month story is surprisingly simple. The founder didn't try to build some futuristic tech startup. Instead, they took something businesses were already paying for, content writing, and made it dramatically faster using AI. That's one of the smartest approaches when looking for AI business ideas. You don't always need to invent something new. Sometimes the best opportunity is improving an existing service using AI. So if you're wondering how one person managed to build a $10,000 per month AI online business, the answer is actually straightforward. Find a problem businesses already pay to solve. Use AI tools to deliver the solution faster. Then package it into a simple recurring service. If this breakdown helped you understand how people are starting to make money with AI, then you'll definitely want to watch the next video where I break down 5 AI side hustles beginners are using right now to build real online income. And if you want more content like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.